This sound is taking over house music right now. So in this video, I will show you all the secrets to produce that style step by step inside FL Studio. So let's straight dive into it.
Money in the bag, in it for the fame. Gripping on the wheels, switching up the game.
We'll be using our new sample pack mechanics, so let's open up the pack and start off with a vocal.
Money in the bag, in it for the fame. Big moves, only no time for the weak.
Stacked with tons of rap vocals, perfect for house music. So drop in the first one, fit it to the tempo, simply cut out some low ends.
Money in the bag, in it for the fame. Gripping on the wheels,
Add some reverb,
on another level, we ain't never
delay,
just made a meal in the back of the
and sidechain to use in the drop. So it's very simple, but that's it for the vocal. Now we're gonna continue with the chords, those typical chord steps you hear in all those tracks. So let's start off with a new serum. Open up the mechanics pack and pick a chord sound. Let's go for this phasing one. So it's fairly simple. Let's deconstruct it. Start off by detuning 2 saw waves. And then the keys and mixing, some OTT, and a lot of phasing, giving the signature sound, and then some reverb and delay. And then we're gonna dive into songwriting. So lower down the vocal 1 semitone to work in F sharp minor. Let's start from the root note and just build up the chords. Just the root and the 7th note of the chord, and then duplicate it. And then just a small rhythmic variation before going down to the 2nd chord. First chord's a bit too high, so let's lower it down. And then again, make it rhythmic. Let's see how it sounds together with the vocal.
Money in the bag, in it for the fame. Gripping on the wheels, switching up the game.
Yeah, that's perfect. Then we need to layer it some more. So again, new preset from the pack. Let's go for this one and simply duplicate the chords, giving us this full chord stack. So now we're gonna mix it. First, get rid of the low end and boost some more high end. Soundgoodizer. Some filtering to use it in a breakdown. And then just some delay, reverb, and sidechain to use in the drop. So that's it for the chord sounds. Altogether they sound like this.
Money in the bag, in it for the fame. Gripping on the wheels, switching up the game. On another
We got the chords ready, so now we're gonna continue with the bass. Let's add in the new serum. And pick a bass sound from the pack. Let's go for this one. And just copy over the chord sounds we made earlier. We just need the bottom notes. And paste them in and make them a bit more unique. Altogether it sounds like this. This will be our top bass, so we need to remove the low end, so we can add some delay to it as well. And of course the sidechain. So then we're gonna layer it with a sub bass. Let's go for this one. It's lacking a little bit of high end, so we're gonna layer it with this bass. And just remove the low ends on this one. Add some reverb, delay, and sidechain. So altogether our bass stack sounds like this. We got a bass ready, so now we're gonna continue with the drums. So let's open up the mechanics sample pack. This one sounds perfect. Fit it to the tempo. Something like this. Then do the same for the claps. Add some heads. This one sounds solid, but it lacks a little bit of high end. So let's layer it with this one. We're gonna fit them to the tempo later on. First, drop in some samples. Very basic, but it really gets the job done. And just to add some more spice, let's drop in a crash fill as well. So now we're gonna mix them on a drum bus. So write all the drum sounds to a bus channel. Add in our new plugin Slammer. It's linked down below as well if you want to check it out. Around here. and give some more power in the low end. So before and after, just a little bit better. So then I just quickly made a build up loop, introducing the clap and let it fade out. Like this. Same thing with the heads. Small snare loop, riser, again those crash fills, of course the vocal, and a kick right before the drop. So altogether our drums sound like this. We almost got all the elements ready. The only things that missing is the typical top melodies. You're in all those tracks, so let's pick a pluck sound. Let's go for this saw pluck and just make a simple melody fill and finish on the 7th. Only need some more mixing, so first make it stereo. Remove a ton of low end, reverb, delay, and of course sidechains used in the drop, and place it right here. And at the end of the first 4 bars, like this. So now it's just a matter of arranging it some more. We got all the elements ready. So first I want to have to drop without a vocal, and then second part with a vocal. Copy over all the sounds. Then I also introduce the chords in a build up with a filter automation. And just a really low string sound together with some and the smell automation on the master channel. Like this. And then bring the vocal back in. Like this. So that's how you achieve that firework house sound in 2026. I think the final results turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well. Besides that, if you like the video, hit a like, and I see y'all in the next videos.
Money in the bag, ain't it for the fame? Gripping on the wheel, switching up the game. On another level, we ain't never the same. Just made a meal in the back of the plane. Money in the bag, ain't it for the fame? Gripping on the wheel, switching up the game. Money in the bag, ain't it for the fame? Ain't it for the fame? Another level, we ain't never the same. Just made a meal in the back of the plane. Money in the bag, in it for the fame. Gripping on the wheels, switching up the game. On another level, we ain't never the same. Just made a meal in the back of the plane.